There's no doubt about it, hardware wallets are the way of the future when it comes to keeping your cryptocurrencies safe and sound. But with so many different options on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to everything you need to know about hardware wallets in 2023. We'll cover all of the different types of wallets out there, what features to look for, and how to choose the best one for your needs. Welcome to BlockLink Digital, where everything there is to know about AI, cybersecurity and the blockchain universe is just one click away, visible to everyone regardless of their prior knowledge or experience. So strap on your seatbelts and join us. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about hardware crypto wallets. So, what are hardware wallets? You may or may not know that the safest way to store your crypto private keys is offline in what is called cold storage. Now, a popular form of cold storage includes what is known as a hardware wallet. These types of wallets are not connected to the internet, except when you need to briefly connect them to a computer to complete a transaction. On the other hand, software or web-based wallets are known as hot or permanently online, which gives those annoying hackers more chances of stealing your funds. Because of this increased risk, hardware wallets are nearly always considered the best option for keeping your crypto assets safe from theft. Hardware wallets connect to your computer, typically via USB, and require a PIN code or other form of authentication for usage. This makes them exponentially more secure than other types of wallets, like desktop or web-based wallets. If security is vital to you, then a hardware wallet should be seriously considered, as they are impervious to most kind of hacking attacks, due to inherently being offline most of the time. Furthermore, if you need to store large amounts of crypto coins, hardware wallets can hold more coins than any type of wallet currently available. But how do hardware crypto wallets work? Hackers are always on the prowl for new ways to obtain people's private information, but with a hardware wallet, that is close to impossible. Imagine your hardware wallet as a tiny computer, similar to a cell phone, except without Wi-Fi. They're typically very simple in their design, only containing 1 or 2 buttons at best, although some models might throw in a tiny screen for you. By being disconnected from the internet, a hardware wallet makes it more difficult for hackers to steal data from you. To better understand how crypto wallets work, picture this. Whenever a user is working with cryptocurrencies, for example, when they are sending assets or receiving them, the transaction has to be signed using their private key. However, if the user has a hardware wallet, then the device itself signs the transactions. This is possible through what's called a crypto bridge, a piece of software that connects this small hardware wallet to the much grander blockchain. This crypto bridge is where the real magic happens. In short, when you connect your hardware wallet to a PC, the bridge transfers unsigned transaction data to the device. The hardware wallet then uses your private key to sign the transactions and uploads them back to the bridge. The bridge broadcasts these now approved transactions to the rest of the blockchain network, essentially letting everybody know they're genuine and marking them as complete. Your private key never leaves your hardware wallet during this process. Why are they becoming more popular? When crypto experts talk about best practices, they often advise against storing sizable amounts of cryptocurrency in an online or hot wallet because it is less secure. Hardware wallets are chosen by those who value peace of mind and place an emphasis on security, or have a lot to lose more often because they provide a higher level of safety. By storing coins offline until transaction timing, hardware wallets keep users' information completely safe. With the growth of the crypto industry, there has been an amplified demand for stronger security measures, making hardware wallets all the more popular now. Where can you buy them? Before you go on and put your grandma's life savings into a $20 used hardware wallet, always ensure that it comes from a reputable manufacturer. In addition, never, and we can't stress this enough, never buy a used hardware wallet. Rather, only purchase one that is new. For security purposes, most hardware wallets come with visible features like holographic stickers. Once you've bought the device, if anything looks out of place or smells fishy, do not use it, as it may have been tampered with. What are the benefits of using a hardware crypto wallet? As we already mentioned, hardware wallets provide an extra layer of oomph to the security of your crypto and digital currency. By keeping your private key on an encrypted hardware device, it is kept safe from possible security risks, such as annoying computer viruses or pesky hackers. Additionally, most hardware wallets come with PIN protection and/or biometric login, ensuring that if your device falls into the wrong hands, the perpetrator will be locked out after a few failed attempts. Hardware wallets are also great for people who want to hold multiple cryptocurrencies in the same place, as some devices allow you to store more than one type of currency, and the Ledger Nano X is a prominent example. What happens if your device is lost or stolen? You hate to be there, but if you find yourself in a position where your hardware wallet is lost or stolen, fear not, all hope is not lost, and you'll probably still be able to recover any funds stored on it, as long as you have your 12 to 24 word recovery phrase. The procedure for recovering your assets will differ depending on the model of your wallet, but it usually entails creating a new wallet and importing your seed phrase onto the new device. If you're really cautious about security, you can also keep your backup phrase in a secure area. No, not under your pillow or inside a drawer. Consider putting it into a safety deposit box, for example. Hardware wallets really are a wonderful way to keep your cryptocurrency safe and secure, so consider purchasing one if you want to add an extra degree of security to your digital cash. Are there any risks associated with using a hardware crypto wallet? Yes, just like anything else in life, there are risks to using a hardware crypto wallet. There have been numerous instances of hardware wallets being modified or tampered with during shipping, as well as phony wallets being given to customers in order to steal private information. Before utilizing your product, always ensure that it is authentic. Unfortunately, not everyone on the internet is trustworthy, and some people will try to con you out of your money. Ledger, a hardware wallet manufacturer, has taken security measures to protect its users from falling prey to these scams by providing regular security updates to its product software, as well as creating a guide explaining how to identify and avoid potential scams. If you forget your PIN code or your recovery phrase, you may also be unable to access your funds. However, as long as you take proper precautions and store your device in a safe place, these risks can be minimized. How do you set one up? Again, this will depend on the brand of your device. However, the process is usually very simple and only takes a few minutes. Most hardware wallets come with instructions on how to set them up. Once you have your device, you will need to create a wallet on their website and then follow the instructions provided to connect your hardware wallet. Once set up, you will be able to store your cryptocurrency on the device and use it for transactions. How much do they cost? Hardware wallets typically range in price from $50 to $200. The price will depend on the brand of the device, as well as the features it offers. For example, the Ledger Nano S is a popular entry-level hardware wallet that costs around $60, while the Ledger Nano X is the more advanced and popular option that supports multiple different currencies and costs around $120. Where can you buy them? Hardware wallets can be bought from manufacturers' websites or from online retailers such as Amazon. If you're interested in buying one, feel free to check out the link in the description. It is important to note that you should only buy devices from reputable sources to avoid getting scammed. What are the disadvantages of using a hardware wallet? Hardware wallets do have some disadvantages. For example, they can be lost or stolen, which is especially troublesome if you forget your PIN code or recovery phrase, as you may not be able to access your funds. Moreover, as previously mentioned, hardware wallets typically cost between $50 and $200, which may be a bit pricey for some people. However, the extra security and peace of mind that comes with using a hardware wallet, as opposed to its software counterpart, is well worth it. In conclusion, hardware wallets are a great way to keep your crypto safe and secure. They offer a variety of features, and the relative peace of mind they offer is well worth the price. So there you have it. Now you have all the information you need to pick out the perfect wallet for your cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to drop a like. And while you're at it, why not subscribe? We hope this has helped you in your quest to find the perfect way to store your crypto. We'll see you in the next video, but until then, please remember, take one step at a time and always dream big.